Hello, friends. We are back at Walgreens in store or curbside to get dollar Olay, which is an unheard of price point. The first deal we're doing for $1 each. The second one is a curbside for $2 and some change per Olay, which is still a fantastic price point. So I'm going to walk you through these two different scenarios and hopefully you can participate. The first is in store with this, the 5 back when you spend 15. A lot of us were getting free prints earlier this week with Mother's Day, and this was printing out. So if you might be so lucky to have one, this is definitely the deal for you in store. So in store, what you're going to do is grab two of the Olay body washes. Look for them in the regular body wash aisle, or alternatively, it might be on an end cap, like here are the deals of the week. Here's all the gorgeous body wash. So you're grabbing two of those along with one bar soap. So the body wash liquid is going to be 14 and then your bar soap is 8. The promotion for this week is to buy 3 to get back a $5 register reward in store. We're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3. Now, if you were doing this deal earlier in the week and you already used the coupon, a manufacturer digital is of a one-time use. So I hate to say it, but sorry, Charlie, you can't do this deal again. It's of a one-time. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA this morning, this very special rebate showed up, which is $1 back for the body wash that you can do a limit of 2 times. So you're going to get $2 back. And the bar soap, you're going to get $2 back. Many of you were falling into was you were grabbing scents that were not attaching with the rebate because the rebate had just posted. And sometimes with Olay, they don't catalog all the scents. I recommend that you open up IBOTTA and scan the barcodes for each product to ensure that the rebate is attaching and that the rebate is still there. Please pay attention to that. So in store, very easy deal. You're grabbing 2 of the body washes and 1 bar soap for $22. Scanning the 5 back when you spend 15. That digital coupon is also coming off. So with your debit card, you're going to spend 17. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, a $5 register reward. Photograph your receipt for $4 back from IBOTTA, $1 back for each liquid, and then $2 back for the bar soap. The final price point here is 3 for 3 or $1 per unit, which is really fantastic. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance as you're using that spend booster of spend 15 to earn back 5. Now, to answer a quick question, if you might have register rewards from the different deals such as Garnier or whatever you were doing earlier the week, and it says manufacturer coupon, yes, you can throw these in with the deal. Please make sure the cashier is scanning every single item. So you will have 3 lines in your order. That 5 off of 3 will attach to 1, and then these 2 will attach to the other 2 lines. So if you want to lower out of pocket, this is the workaround around it. So good luck with that. The next deal that we're looking at is curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, then driving to the store and picking it up. It is that easy. Please make sure that you ask the cashier to process it through a regular register. Do not just press the I am here button when you're picking it up, and don't, if they're going to use the handheld to scan it in, you're not going to get a receipt. So you have to say, hey, can you please run this through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt for IBOTTA. Very similar matchup to the last one, but this one we're doing curbside. We're throwing in 1 of the bar soap and then 2 of the body washes. And in case your receipt gets denied or they can't find the item, just send a little ticket to IBOTTA's customer service and they should give you the amount of the rebates. I know a lot of you had success with that. Again, you're going to load your best friend, which is the 5 off 3. Make sure that your IBOTTA rebates are there, which is the $1 back that you can do up to 2 times for the body wash, and the bar soap, a $2 back. So here we have it, that 5 off of 3 digital melting off along with the code WAG10 for an additional $1.70. If you have no register rewards, no nothing, I mean, this is just a workaround to get a little bit extra off, and $1.70 is nothing to sneeze at. So the overall total for this is $22 for the 2 body washes and the bar soap. WAG10 taking $1.70 off, our $5 digital. So you're going to pay $16.52 or use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $6.52. You're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 Olay products. With your receipt, you're also going to photograph it to IBOTTA for $4 back. $1 each for the body washes and $2 for the bar soap. So it shakes it out, not including tax, $2.10 per product, which is a fantastic price point. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.